How to prevent false fire alarms. Imagine hearing a fire alarm go off when there's no fire at all. It can be confusing and disruptive. Preventing these false alarms is key to keeping everyone safe and avoiding unnecessary emergencies. First, regular maintenance of fire alarm systems is essential. Clean smoke detectors, heat sensors, and alarm devices to remove dust, insects, or debris that can cause false triggers. Dust or dirt buildup can make sensors think there's smoke or heat when there isn't. Check and replace batteries every 6 months, especially in areas with high humidity or dust. Worn-out parts can also cause false alarms, so replace them promptly. Visual inspections are just as important. Look for any physical damage, misaligned devices, or dirt on sensors. Proper device placement matters too. Keep smoke detectors away from kitchens, bathrooms, or vents where steam, cooking fumes, or dust are common. These environmental factors can set off alarms unnecessarily. Testing your fire alarm system regularly helps catch problems early. Conduct weekly visual checks of control panels, monthly tests of manual pull stations, and quarterly tests of all sensors. An annual full system inspection by a professional ensures everything works correctly. Testing confirms sensors and communication lines are functioning properly, reducing false triggers. Controlling environmental factors is also vital. Avoid installing smoke detectors near heat sources or areas with frequent dust. Keep vents clean and maintained to prevent dust from circulating near sensors. Store flammable materials away from heat or electrical sources, which can cause false alarms if they emit fumes or heat. Training staff and occupants on how to respond to alarms is equally important. Conduct regular fire drills and explain how to report issues or malfunctions. Educate everyone not to disable alarms unless instructed by a professional. Proper response and reporting help maintain system reliability. Keep your fire alarm systems up to date with current safety standards. Replace outdated equipment after about 10 to 15 years or sooner if it malfunctions often. Consider installing smart detectors that can differentiate between real fires and false triggers, like steam or dust. Finally, keep detailed records of inspections, repairs, and tests. This documentation helps identify recurring issues and ensures compliance with safety regulations. Firefighters and safety professionals know that reliable systems save lives by providing accurate alerts. By maintaining your fire alarm systems diligently, you help prevent false alarms, ensuring emergency services respond only when truly needed.